Fate wanted me to spend a few years in my childhood seeing Diego Armando Maradona almost every day. Let's hear about how was Diego Maradona and his childhood home. Before watching this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel Shormila Show House Bollywood, and also don't forget to like and share our Facebook page. The children who studied at the Aula school learned with great excitement that the then best player in the world would come to live right in front of us. We learned of his arrival in that mansion due to the huge works going on there and the traffic queue of people who preceded him and who then always accompanied him, more typical of the court of a king than a football player. Because already back then, when Maradona was not yet Maradona, he was already a living divinity. One of these few celebrities whom before globalization was still known in every corner of the city, every corner of the world. The children who went to Aula had to pass in front of his house, the immense wall of which all orange brick began in the lower street, a mansion in which he often saw his relatives, his manager George with his unmistakable hair and his then wife Claudia. We often saw Maradona at school kick-out time at 5:30 in the afternoon. On days when he had no game, and it was recurring entertainment to pass by his door and ask for an autograph, a request that we knew would be honored, because Diego applied, at least in Barcelona, an immovable principle. He was unfriendly with adults and charming with children, to whom he never denied a greeting, a signature, or a smile. The climax of our special relationship came after that tackle, one of the wildest in the football history, which left him seriously injured. Maradona would spend whole afternoons sitting in a chair with his leg in a cast in the backyard of his house, and he would periodically open the doors to a dozen children to sign autographs for us, even in our geography notebooks, and talk kindly with us if we were able to say something, paralyzed and gasping as we were in the amazement of being within touching distance of our idol. Maradona's house, in a very sad way, was transformed for some into a place of worship and pilgrimage, honoring the name of the street and his own biography. Orange bricks that stripped away the limits of our dreams could still be seen. It would be good if the city council put a plaque there in memory of his time in Barcelona and Barca. From my childhood and that of all those children at Aula, thank you for everything, Diego.
Shormila Show House.
Shormila started her own YouTube channel. Congratulations.
শর্মিলা শো হাউসের জন্য জানাই
শুকরিয়া শর্মিলা শুকরিয়া
শর্মিলা শো হাউসের সমস্ত দর্শকদের জানাই
কিপ রকিং অল দ্য বেস্ট।
वो पहली बार जब हम मिले
খুব ভালো ভালো কন্টেন্ট নিয়ে ওরা আসে।
Who has to start from the beginning.
It's a pleasure being on your show, Sharmila.
Absolutely fantastic to appear on Shormila Show.
On watching Sharmila Show House.
শর্মিলা শো হাউস খুব তাড়াতাড়ি
অনেকদিন ধরে ইচ্ছা ছিল, আমি অনেক দেখেছি প্রচুর বলিউড স্টার নিয়ে।
অপূর্ব গসিপ মার্কা সারেদা।
Watching me on Sharmila Show House.
তুমি নতুন স্টুডিও করেছো।
Shormila, I wish you all the success.